In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace a bathtub faucet spout. This spout is corroded, needs to be replaced. This is a spout without any set screw to tighten it on, so it just needs to be turned counterclockwise. The first thing you need to do is to cut through this silicone caulking that's over here. So you need a razor to do that. Just go all the way around. Okay, now counterclockwise, just turn it. Okay, now you're going to need a wrench. I'm going to use a pipe wrench. You shouldn't use a pipe wrench on these if it's a new one or you just want to remove it because you could scratch the surface, but this needs to be replaced anyway, and a pipe wrench will have the most leverage to remove it. Yes, this is badly corroded. Ooh. Okay, now this pipe has to come out of here. It came out with the pipe itself. Okay, so this is really stuck, so I'm going to be using 2 pipe wrenches. Yes, I need a lot of leverage to get this thing off, and I don't have a bench vise, which would really be helpful here. Okay, so if you have a workbench or a table, you need to use this as leverage because this is really tight, so just pull the wrenches apart like so. I got it now. So you got to use the table as a base, but I got it now. So 2 pipe wrenches did the trick. If you have a bench vise, you could just put this in the bench vise and then use 1 wrench to get it out. Okay. So this has to be replaced. Take this to the plumbing supply store, match it up, get the same one, and put the new one on. Okay, so here's the old one and here's the new one. So I'm going to be putting some Teflon tape on there. Okay, now I'm going to be installing the pipe. Now gently insert the pipe and turn it clockwise gently. Make sure not to cross the tread. Okay, I'm going to use a pipe wrench to tighten it. Now I'm going to be putting some Teflon tape on this end. Okay, now before you install the spout, take some silicone caulk and put it all the way around the edge over here of the pipe and against the surface right here, and make sure this area is closed, and then you can install the spout. Okay, now slide the spout onto the pipe like so. Okay, now align the spout with the pipe. Now start to turn it clockwise. Now make sure you don't cross the tread. Gently, you're going to feel it catch the tread. Okay, make sure it's straight. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is use some silicone caulk and apply it right at the edge, right here, where the spout meets the surface, and apply the caulk all the way around the spout. Okay, so I'm going to turn the water on and see how it turns out. Okay, so there you go. That is how to replace a bathtub faucet spout. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.